Less than tittle greater than Costry's price struggles near key moving averages. Will it rebound or fall further? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. The current price of Costry, $0.2454, is slightly below the 200-hour moving average of $0.2478, indicating a mild bearish trend in the short term. It has faced resistance near the 20-hour moving average at $0.2465 but is finding tentative support at the 50-hour moving average of $0.2449. Trading volume surged by 18% in the last session, peaking at 2,226,241 units, signaling heightened activity during the price test of $0.2489. Buyers appear hesitant to push the price beyond this resistance zone, and if the price breaches $0.2447, it could lead to a sharper decline. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. Costry's RSI currently stands at 39.52, placing it in a neutral to oversold range. Historically, RSI levels near 40 have preceded minor bounces, such as the 5% rally on November 2 when RSI dropped to 38. With a lack of upward momentum, the coin risks further downside unless RSI rebounds above the 50 mark. Investors should monitor RSI closely, as a dip below 30 would signal a strong oversold condition. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator sits at 53.79, reflecting a neutral stance. Previous instances of stochastic levels near 55 have resulted in mild corrections, such as the pullback on October 28, when the price dropped from $0.2510 to $0.2430. Unless the oscillator moves decisively into overbought territory above 80, the coin's price action may remain range-bound between $0.244 and $0.248. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD is currently at -0.00085. While the signal line is slightly lower at -0.00095, confirming weak bearish momentum. The narrowing gap between these lines indicates reduced selling pressure. The MACD histogram reflects minimal divergence, suggesting a potential reversal if the MACD line crosses above the signal line. Historical trends suggest that similar setups have led to 3% to 5% gains, but confirmation is required. Bollinger Bands analysis. Costry's price of $0.2454 is trading near the lower Bollinger Band at $0.2369, suggesting reduced volatility in recent sessions. A close below the lower band could trigger a bearish breakout, while a move toward the middle band at $0.2470 would signal stabilization. The band's current width suggests moderate volatility, but an expansion could bring sharp price swings. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Costry's price is currently hovering near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.2445. This level has acted as a pivot in the past, with the price bouncing back by 4% in October. If this support holds, the next target could be $0.2522, 38.2%. However, a breach below $0.2445 would expose the 61.8% level at $0.2367, increasing downside risk. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, Costry hit a high of $0.3200 in January and a low of $0.2115 in July. The yearly average trading volume is 1,850,000. Slightly lower than the current session. The recent uptick in trading activity suggests growing interest but also highlights significant resistance around $0.2500, where sellers frequently emerge. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. In the past 3 years, Costry experienced a major resistance level at $0.3000, with the last test in February 2023 failing to break higher. Long-term support has consistently formed around $0.2200. Volume trends revealed declining interest in rallies, emphasizing the importance of sustained volume above 2,500,000 units to confirm any bullish breakout. Less than comprehensive analysis. Costry's current price action reflects a cautious market, with the coin trading near key support levels across multiple indicators. While the RSI and stochastic oscillator suggest neutral to slightly bearish conditions, the MACD histogram hints at a potential reversal. However, the 50% Fibonacci level at $0.2445 is critical. Failure to hold this support could trigger a drop to $0.2367. Conversely, a decisive move above $0.2480 would pave the way for a test of $0.2522. Investors should remain vigilant and monitor volume spikes, as they will play a pivotal role in determining the next significant move.